All right, here we are with Scarlett and the Babbleboxx, and she is so excited because out of all the things in the world, she loves school supplies. So I opened the box just with scissors, but I have not looked in yet, and she hasn't either. So Scarlett, it's up to you now. Have fun.
It looks like it's salmon.
Awesome. What's it called?
Tangly apple.
Oh, that sounds perfect. There's some tangles in this family. Mine.
And I can try that.
Yeah, you can use it too, although you have perfectly straight hair. What is that?
It's like it's something to hold stuff, and there's lots of things inside.
Oh.
There's pens
Ooh.
that I think they smell good because they have like flavors.
Well, that's amazing.
Pencils, colored pencils.
Oh,
And notebook. And I think it does this.
flip side, I get it.
It's cool. Did they flip side?
Yeah, flip side.
Eraser.
That is so cool. Can I see a close up?
Sure. Eraser like that.
Man, that's so cool.
And next is Mickey Mouse.
Popcorn, and it's your favorite kind, white cheddar.
Yay!
All right, I'm gonna need to see that box.
Yay!
That's so great. That makes me really excited.
And duct tape.
Nice.
With a duck. And Mickey shaped animal cracker.
How cool is that? Seriously.
Yum.
Can I have some right now? Just kidding.
Will I get that?
I'm sure you will, Des. They'd be good in your kindergarten lunchbox.
It's a plug.
Wi-Fi smart plug.
I probably won't need that for school.
But I might. How
But
cool is
you
that?
can have it.
Yeah, no, that's really awesome.
Then this is some kind of pen.
Let me see that one. Oh, it's hand sanitizer.
Oh, it looks
How
like
cool
a
is
pen.
that?
Oh, cool.
But that's the whole point. I love
it's
that.
so funny. It looks like a pen.
So
I
you
thought
put it in
was
your
a
backpack.
pen.
How cool is that?
Then
Ooh, I think I know what that is. To match the shampoo, is it spray?
it says styling. It says Morning Miracle Mouse Styling Spray. So I think you're right.
That's awesome. Or mousse.
Yeah, mousse.
It's funny. It's a different kind of mousse, so it's spelled differently.
And
Looks edible. Are you serious? That's your favorite snack. I can't believe that.
And two other things.
This is amazing.
Hand sanitizer, this kind. And Silky Slicker Ultimate Sculpting Gel.
Okay, let me see that one. That is so cool. Thank you, Des, for walking in the video. Honestly, sometimes
wait, hold on.
more.
There's this paper.
A piece of paper, the welcome paper
Uh-huh.
that says, hello, you are going to open the coolest box in the world and all of your favorite things are going to be in it. Love, us.
Let's keep this.
Yeah, no, I always keep those.
Yeah.
I think this is amazing, and thank you for opening.
Yeah,
Yummy,
and then
yummy
there's-
scented.
Yeah, these.
So what do we say to the people who sent this to us?
Thank you.
Yeah, this is really, makes us really happy.
I
And
also really like
is
this.
super meaningful, and you couldn't have known how many of her favorite things are here, and she's really excited to start third grade.
When I picked it.
Okay, Des. And thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.